double secure both of these nails. I'm gonna using on the end of the Precision Glue Gel is have two ends, one end with the needles and then the others with precision brush. So in this, actually is in this beautiful designs, I'm go ahead and close the red cap and open the Precision's brush. And I'm go ahead and using this because this will load me more and extra of Precision Glue Gel, so then I can seal and caps a majority of like a big piece of the charms, chains, and beads. So which is I'm doing it right now, seals on the beads and on the chain. Do the same thing with this because this one have the beads as well. Because the bigger metal piece, you are definitely going to need more Precision Glue Gel. So the purpose of it is gonna go ahead and seal it, and then is protect your metal piece from getting tarnished, because we're washing our hands a lot, doing a lot of laundry and hand sanitizing, cleaning, bleaching, all the housework around the house. And then I'm go ahead and close the something's happening. I'll go ahead and close the end of the Precision brush, and then now I'm using the needle end. And what I'm doing, I'm just gonna go ahead and do some exam right here, just doing a little check. I feel scratchy right here. You're gonna squeeze that much, just little go a long way. And check around the cuticle area, seals underneath, and seal in the gap of the bee right here to make sure that her wing is stay in and nice. Check around the flowers to make sure they are going to stay on. And then keep in mind, if you want to seal it again, you feel seal scratchy and then you need to seal it again, definitely flash key it for 30 seconds. And then you key it, and then you're gonna seal it again. Some like little things in there, so I pick it up already. So now we'll go ahead and key it. Mika, thank you so much from Facebook, and thank you, Mika, on Facebook and YouTube. And hey, April, thank you so much. And all the nails from April, all the nail, and Jessie from YouTube, thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day to you too, Jessie. I hope you had a great day as well. And we are, thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks so much, Instagram fam, Facebook fam, YouTube fam, Twitch fam, TikTok fam. Thank you. Oh my god, this bee is so adorable, and it stay concrete on this one with the triple thick condensed glue gels. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do some check, and you feel like it's already really nice and seals, that is good. But if you feel like it's right here, you could feel scratchy right here, I'm gonna squeeze just that much. And we are going to seal completely and cover the beads to prevent all the beads going to get tarnished, is or not, because of the Precision Glue Gels already double secure. So I'm gonna check right there, make sure when you're doing it with the condensed glue gels triple thick, you're gonna key those for 2 minutes. So now I checked everything, it looks good, and I'm go ahead and key for 60 seconds. Hold on, doing this quick for the camera to see.